So let's see what's inside the Rage Mini Q. Inside the box, they have 14 bags in total, which you have to put together, and they are all individually numbered, making it really easy. So let's put it together. So far so good, guys. We've got it assembled. It was quite easy. We had no breakages. Now the cool thing about this car is that you will get proportional steering and proportional throttle. So we'll just quickly show you what that means. You will get the 2.4 gigahertz controller, so no interference, no glitching. Now with proportional steering, if you just steer a tad, it will only steer that little bit. So it won't actually full lock as soon as you touch it, which makes it really good for control. There you go. And your throttle also is proportional. So here we have it. Just a little bit of throttle, more, and then more. So really impressed with this and the price and the quality of the build. Just regarding the Mini Q, the body stays on with a bracket at the front here. It actually just clips in and magnetic at the back. So all you do is just, it comes out like that. It's magnetic. There you go. And just pull out. So in like that. That's in, and then just clip it on. And there we go. No body mounts. Alrighty guys, so just with the Mini Q, we've got a Kaisho Mini Z body, and we were a bit curious if the body can actually fit on, and with a bit of persuasion, we think you can. What you'll have to do is you'll have to remove the tabs on some of the bodies on your Mini Z. Now with the Mini Q, the chassis on the bottom is a little bit wide. What you might have to do is, you might have to shave the side off here, put the battery vertical. Now we can tell you the wheels and the scale on the actual Mini Q is identical as the Mini Z bodies. There you have it guys. That's straight. And just on top there, they'll sit in there like that. And you got plenty of room inside. There you have it guys, which is pretty cool. Just quickly, the radio on the Mini Q awesome little controller. It is 2.4 gigahertz. So if you buy 2 of these units, if you buy 20, you can zip around and no one will interfere with anyone, which is pretty cool. Now you've got your, they will take 4 AAA batteries for your controller. All right, and just quickly, you will have your steering dual rate. So if you want your steering turned up or more or less, steering trim, wheel alignment, and your throttle dual rate. So if you want to turn the speed up or down.